Hey, welcome to the tutorial on how to use Group Manager. Group Manager is a tool that we developed to store any group information in group database. So for a CL, a community leader, this is a great tool to utilize. And the way you access it is by going to central.saddleback.com, and you would be led to this page where you can sign in. Now you can sign in using the same saddleback.com account information. If you're not granted access to sign in, consult your small group pastor and they can allow you access to it. So you click sign in and you'll see that a menu button will be appearing on the upper right hand corner. You'll click that and you would click Group Manager from the sidebar. Now you'll be led to another sign-in screen. This is because we treat our group data seriously. So it's asking if you are an authorized user of Group Manager. You would use the same information to log in. Now from here, now you're finally signed into Group Management. Now, once you're in Group Manager, there are a couple of functions that are essential to community leader's role. And first is finding out who is assigned under you to be taken care of. So who are the small group hosts that you are supposed to take care of? And the first thing that you want to do in order to find that is using the search engine here by narrowing down the field that are appropriate to you. So first you would find the small group pastor, Kevin Lee. If I can find my name, find that. Community leader, in this case we'll use Troy Grants because he's on staff here. When you do that and click search, you'll see that 45 groups are under Troy's care. And if you scroll down, you'll see many more groups in its summary form. So this is not giving you a detailed information about the group. On here, you would see all the groups that are assigned to you. If you want to look at a specific group, you will click View on the right side. On the left-hand side, it shows all the activities that are done for this group. So you will see that Kevin Lee, the small group's pastor, sent an email on January 13th about the new curriculum, and you will see that the community leader has reached out in the email, review the group, no response from my last email, things of that sort. So the way you leave a comment is actually by adding a comment here. You would say, called and talked about starting a class 101. And you'll click submit, and that's how you will leave a note here on the activity field. On the right hand side, you will see group name where you can change that. Group description, you would talk to the small group host if they would like to put a description of their group. If they have a picture of their group, even more awesome, you can upload their image. Campus, you can designate or assign a campus. And on the visibility side, if they want to make their group public, they can do that if they are a member of Saddleback Church. If they are not, they will be blocked from doing so, and then they would have to become a member in order for their groups to be public. Type of group, if they want to switch from home group to online group to home group, they can do that here. You can indicate a certain group using a tag. There are a couple of different tags. If they indicate that they are doing 40 days of prayer, that's where you put 40 days of prayer, and you will see that that tag is available now. Host details, there are a couple of things that you want to look at in host detail. First is if the host is a member or not. If the host is not a member, it should say host is not a member. And as a CL, we always want to lead our host to the next step in the pathway of growth, or the starting point of the growth is that they are a member of Saddleback Church. If they are not, and you ask them, you engage in a conversation, if they are not, you would ask them to go through class 101 and be baptized by immersion and submit a membership application form in order to become a member. But if they are a member of a local church and then they are using Saddleback Church resources to do small groups with other people in other areas, we can allow them to do so. We would just make a mark here that they are a member of a local church doing small group with friends from another state. Click submit. Then that way your small group pastors will know, other CLs will know from that information. So you will see that the email information is available here. So if you need to email the person or phone information is here as well. Also, time and location. If they move and you need to change their address, you can do that here. Meeting day and time, you can also change that there. You will see under care, you will see small group pastor is assigned and community leader is assigned. That should be you. If you're looking for a group that is assigned under you. Demographic, you can change that as well. And then after making all the changes, you will click save, which is at the top or on the bottom of this page, and then you will click save and the group information will be saved. You will see on the right side of that there's a word called archive. If the group is no longer meeting and you know for sure that they're not meeting, you'll click archive and it will be archived. So you go back, if you want to send an email to all of your hosts, you can click select all, click this email icon, and then put your name, your email address, and then subject line. And if you need to put any attachments, you can do that here. And here you can put your message. Hello, my name is Kevin from Saddleback Church. Under that, you have option to send this email to the host, co-host, and click submit. The email will be sent and all the replies will come to your email on your inbox. Another thing, if you want to search how many groups are available in a certain city, let's say Chicago. First of all, you would click none here and then click search, and you'll see that we have 6 groups in Chicago. Can do that for other things. If you want to search for a group that is in a certain state, you will see that right now it's grayed out, but if you click country and search United States, you'll see that this field will open up, and then you can look for a group maybe in Colorado and click search. You'll see that there are 17 groups that are in Colorado. That's how you utilize that. Also, you can do so for different countries here, and then say Argentina, click search, you will see that we have 2 groups in Argentina. So that's a very quick tutorial on how to use Group Manager. Hopefully this gets you going in how you can see group information and group host information. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or reply to my email, or email me at kevinl@saddleback.com, and I would love to continue the conversation in using Group Manager. Thanks for watching. God bless you.